Hi everyone. In this video, we'll take a look at timers and music playlist. These two tools can be really useful when filling the gaps during meetings or workshops. So let's dive right in. The first one that we need to take a look at is timers. So timers can be useful if you are if there's sort of a gap between presentations during your session, and you want maybe users to just take a moment to think about something or to vote on something, and you need to time these sessions. So what you can do is we can very quickly click on toolbox, add a tool, and click on timer. We can set uh, of the timer to run for a few minutes. We can add a short prompt for the timer as well. We can click on this button to allow the users to click on a I am done button, which will let you know then as a facilitator that people have completed the exercise, and no longer want to wait for the end of the entire timer duration. We have some timer music here, which you can use, but for now we'll you know won't we won't select one of these options. You can choose a different color for your timer as well, and then you can save or start now. So what I'll do is I'll just click on this so that it starts the timer. There you go. It has started the timer, a nice red color thing popping up. And obviously if we had music we could do that. um, on my device, on my iPad here, I will click on I am done, and you can see this number changed from 0 to 1. I can add another minute, and this will just add another minute to the timer, or I can of course close the timer and it stops the timer for everyone else. The other thing that we want to take a look at in this video is music playlist. So this is again a great tool if you just have like a break session, for example, and you just want to play some music for all the participants in your virtual session. So what you can do is click on toolbox, add a tool, and click on music playlist. So let's say we call this during breaks, and over here we can add multiple songs from either YouTube or SoundCloud, and basically create our own playlist. And what Butter will do is it will play each of those songs one after the other. So I have a few songs over here. Let me just copy that in, and first song, then let me add the second song. And so now I can obviously reorder these ones. I can remove this, or I can open the video in another tab, and then I can save this. So my playlist is ready, and then of course whenever it is the right time, I will click on this to let the playlist start. Promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. So as you can see, the music was playing. Once that song is over, it will move on to the next song in the playlist, and obviously I can manually switch to a different song as well. I've just demoed it with YouTube, but you can, as they say, insert a SoundCloud link to your music as well, and that will be included in your music playlist. So that was a quick video to show what to do when you have some time between the meetings. So you have music playlist, and then you have timer to time these sessions. There you go. So like, share and subscribe, and of course stay tuned for more videos to come.